Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Okay, children, get ready with your social studies copies and write down the heading difficult words.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Those who have just joined, beta, take your social studies, take out your social studies copy and write down the heading difficult words.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Better take out your social studies copies. Write down the difficult words.
Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Summer.
Ma'am, there are how many difficult words?
Yes, there are so many difficult words in all the chapters. Shall I start with the first word?
Ma'am, today we are going to do difficult words.
Yes, we are going to practice these words for our annual, for our annual exam.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, let me write the heading in my notebook.
What are you saying, Iram?
Ma'am, I am saying that you have said that that we can start. Ma'am, please wait for a while. Ma'am, then the children are joining late. Ma'am, then you have to explain 3 times.
Yes, exactly.
So, ma'am, our next class we will do GK quiz.
Yes, in our next class, we are going to study GK. When do we have our next class now?
Ma'am, tomorrow last period.
Tomorrow, last
Sixth period.
Yes, it's with you. That's
Sixth.
great. Okay.
So, ma'am, tomorrow we will study GK.
Yes, tomorrow we'll be doing GK. The first word is contiguous. Contiguous.
Ma'am, done.
What is the spelling of it, Utsav?
Ma'am, CONTIGUOUS.
Very nice. Wonderful. Varun, what have you written?
Ma'am, CONTIGUOUS.
Very good. The next word is
Ma'am, what was that? Ma'am, what is
GUOUS.
Again, what is the
GUOUS. I will type in the chat box. Don't worry.
Contiguous.
Okay, done.
Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you. How many children were wrong in it? Honestly, raise your hand. Very nice. No
Ma'am,
problem.
Ma'am, I think summer.
Okay, Iram, no problem, beta. Don't be sad. You can learn it now. Okay, the next word is Meghalaya.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, I have written.
Summer,
Ma'am,
what
I have
is this?
written.
What is the spelling of Meghalaya?
Ma'am, the spelling of Meghalaya is Meghalaya.
Can all the students also write in the chat box? Ma'am,
Okay. See, everyone will get a chance once. Okay. Now, Summer, just type what is the spelling of Meghalaya.
Okay, ma'am.
Meghalaya. Good. The next word is
Ma'am, a difficult one.
okay. Tuong Monastery. Tuong Monastery.
Ma'am, written.
Written.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Anshuman, written.
Ma'am, written.
Anshuman will type the spelling.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm sorry for 7 minutes late because, ma'am, there was a network problem.
All right. Now I'm going to wait, Anshuman, wait. I'm going to repeat all the words, children. Those who have just joined, take out your social studies copy and write down the heading difficult words. Okay, Anshuman, you are going to type the last one. Three words have been done so far, Pratishtha. The words are contiguous, Meghalaya. The first word was contiguous. The second one was Meghalaya. And the third one is Tuong Monastery. Tuong Monastery.
Ma'am, I have written.
Tuong Monastery. Wonderful. How many wrong in it? Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm wrong.
Ma'am, I don't wrong. Ma'am, I was not wrong.
Very good. Beta, now those who were not wrong, please don't speak in between.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't produce noise pollution in the class. Yes? Okay. So, Iram, you were wrong. What about you, Varun?
Ma'am, I was correct.
Good.
Correct.
Ma'am, I am wrong.
Oh, Jayesh, you were wrong. No problem, beta. Now please correct it and learn it properly. Then the next one is Namdapha National Park. Namdapha National Park.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, Varun is going to type this one in the chat box.
Ma'am, written.
Wrong, Varun, wrong, beta.
Can I write?
Cross, put a
Can I write?
cross in your
Ma'am,
phone.
can I write?
Jayesh will write. Jayesh, those who have got their turns, please don't ask. Let everybody get their turn and then I'll come to you again. What happened, Jayesh? You're taking too long, beta. Namdapha National Park. Wonderful.
Ma'am, now my
Okay. Next, Mekhla Chadar. Mekhla Chadar.
Ma'am, written.
Written. Very good. Iram is going to type this one.
okay, ma'am.
No, beta, it's wrong.
Ma'am, can I write?
Ma'am, can I write?
Ma'am, can.
Lakshita. Okay, Lakshita is going to type. Very nice. Now the next word is Guwahati. The next word is Guwahati.
Ma'am, written.
Utsav, what
Ma'am,
has...
written.
Don't type in the chat box, just speak the spellings.
Ma'am, Guwhati.
No.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, I want some other student to speak. Virat Yadav, are you there in the class? Virat. Virat is not there. Shreyansh Patel, are you there? Shreyansh is also not replying. Okay, Pratishta Singh, 4th B. Pratishta Singh from 4th B, are you there? See, so many students just come for the name's sake. They are actually not attending the class.
Ma'am, Pratishtha Singh of course B.
Yes, beta. Was I not audible?
No, ma'am, you was not audible, ma'am. Your voice was cracking.
Okay, now is it fine?
Ma'am, now it is also not coming fine, ma'am. Ma'am, it is coming like, ma'am, like you are saying one word, then ma'am, it is stopping for 1 or 2 seconds.
Okay. What is the spelling of Guwahati, Pratishtha?
Ma'am, what you are saying, ma'am, can you repeat?
What is the spelling of Guwahati? A place in
Okay,
Assam?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. The spelling of Guwahati is Guwahati.
Wonderful. Very nice. Type it in the chat box, Pratishtha.
Okay,
Utsav, have you made the correction?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next word is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros.
Ma'am, written.
Pratishtha, beta, what have you typed in the chat box? You spoke it correct and you typed it wrong.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Pratishtha Singh from 4th A.
The spelling of rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros, not saurus, it's ceros. R-O-S-E-A.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, Pratishtha Singh from 4th A is here.
9.
Pratishtha Singh from 4th A is not here. Anyone who has not got his or her turn till now, those who are present, Shaurya and Apurva, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Apurva is going to tell us the spelling of rhinoceros. Apurva, are you typing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is wrong.
Rhinoceros. Yes, it's wrong, Apurva. Shaure, can you type? Shaure, now you give a try. Lakshay, are you there in the class, beta? Okay, Lakshay is also not replying. I think I should rather remove these students who are not replying. Otherwise, I'll get confused. So I'm removing Virat, Shreyansh. Mehak Khan, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
second spelling of rhinoceros is also not correct.
Virat, beta, why didn't you reply
Ma'am,
before?
it is also wrong.
Okay, what is the correct spelling of rhinoceros? Mehak Khan, can you tell us? Mehak Khan.
Ma'am, can I?
Mehak Khan is also not replying. That means she is not there in the class. But okay, just wait. Let me remove these children first. Those who are not replying. Virat, are you there? Okay, Virat.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the spelling of rhinoceros? Please tell us. Shreyansh Patel, are you there?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, Virat doesn't know. Now who will tell? Shreyansh is also not replying. Let me remove Shreyansh. Okay, Anshuman, your turn to type in the chat box.
Ma'am.
Pratyusha Singh, if you are there, beta, please write something in the chat box and let me know that you are present in the class. Pratyusha Singh.
Ma'am, written.
Rhinoceros. Yes. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Very good.
Ma'am, after O, ma'am, E don't come.
Rhino. No. After O, E doesn't come. It's Ceros. See, break it into two parts. The first part is rhino, 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 and then ceros, Ceros. Okay, then Pratyusha Singh is also not replying. Okay, let me just remove her. Then I have, who else is here? Else all are present, right? Good. Now, what is the spelling of Assamese? Language spoken in the state of Assam. It's Assamese.
Yes,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have written.
Assamese. Yes, Iram.
Ma'am, can I?
Iram, tell the
Ma'am,
spelling
can I?
first. Tell the spelling, don't type first.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, the spelling of SMEs is ASSAMESE.
Wonderful, correct. Now type it. The next word is Myanmar. Myanmar.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Written Myanmar.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will type? Jayesh.
Ma'am, can I?
Jayesh, you do it, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am? Because ma'am, your voice was cut. Ma'am, cracking.
Okay, it's Myanmar, the country of Myanmar.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the correct spelling is in the chat box. Ma'am, there is a
Yes.
typing, ma'am.
Yes, Jayesh. Beta, it's correct. The spelling is correct. Yes, now Shreyansh is back. Shreyansh, why weren't you replying before, huh? I called out your name twice.
And that time I was in the meeting only, but there was any technical problem. That's why I was not able to open my camera and mic.
Okay, so beta, in that case, you should type in the chat box and let me know.
I was writing that time you have removed.
Okay. Now, the next word is cardamom. Cardamom.
Ma'am, what?
Beta, cardamom. Tea, coffee, rubber, cardamom, fruits, like that. A spice. What is cardamom? It is a spice that is grown in the state of Manipur.
Ma'am, cardamom, yes, ma'am. Or cardamom.
And at Kerala also.
Cardamom, cardamom.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is not grown.
In Manipur, it is not grown.
Ma'am, in Kerala it is not grown.
Beta, it
Ma'am, I know
grows.
the spelling. Can I type?
Who knows the spelling? Okay, Shreyansh Patel will type now.
Okay, ma'am.
First, tell us the spelling, Shreyansh, then type.
CARDAMOM.
Very nice. Okay, the next word is pleasant. The weather is pleasant or the climate is pleasant. What is the spelling of cardamom? Pleasant written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Lakshita, your turn now.
Ma'am,
Lakshita, just speak the spellings.
okay, ma'am. PLEASANT.
Very nice.
Ma'am, now I have to type it in the chat box.
Yes, you have to type it in the chat box. How many of you wrote SENT in pleasant? Honestly tell.
Ma'am,
Shaurya and Apurva also?
Ma'am, I write SENT.
So it's S.
Ma'am, I write SENT.
So beta, it's SANT. Okay, now you will remember. Now you will never make this mistake.
Ma'am, the 11th word was pleasant.
Yes, I don't know the number. Was it the 11th word, children?
Yes, ma'am, it was 11th.
Yes, 11th word.
All right. Now the 12th word is originated.
Ma'am, written.
ma'am, written.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is it?
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Now Summer is going to tell us the spelling and type it in the chat box. Summer.
Ma'am, the spelling of originated is ORIGINATED.
Very nice. Correct. Type it now.
Ma'am, typing.
Originated.
Ma'am, I is correct.
Originated. Very good. Okay, the next word is surrounded. Surrounded.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Virat Yadav, are you there?
Ma'am, written.
Virat beta, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know the spelling of it? Surrounded.
Ma'am, originated.
Surrounded, beta. Surrounded.
Ma'am, surrounded.
Yes.
Ma'am, don't know.
Don't know, Virat. What happened, beta? Just try it.
S-O.
No. S-U. Yes.
S-U-R-R.
Yes.
E-N.
No,
E-D.
surround. Round. What is the spelling of round?
R-O-U-N-D.
Yes. And surrounded. Now we have to make it surrounded.
E-D. Ma'am, if
Very
you
nice.
add
Now
E-
type it in the chat box and show it to us.
Okay, ma'am.
The next word is boundaries. Boundaries.
Ma'am written. Ma'am written. Ma'am written.
I'm waiting for Virat to send in the chat box. Then I will ask somebody else to send boundaries. Virat, beta, be quiet. Virat, why are you taking so long, Virat?
Ma'am, can I send boundaries?
Okay, Shaurya and Apurva are going to send both the words, surrounded and boundaries, in the chat box. Okay, Virat, very good. Surrounded is correct. Beta, Shaurya and Apurva, boundaries. Boundaries is wrong. It's boundaries. After D, we have A. B-O-U-N-D-A-R-I-E-S. Boundaries. Okay, correct it. Now the next word is Mozinram.
Ma'am written. Ma'am written. Ma'am, now can I? Ma'am, now can I? Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, Pratishtha Singh from 4th A is also not replying. Why? Pratishtha Singh, 4th A, are you not there? Okay, Varin, type the next word in the chat box. Mozinram.
Ma'am, can I?
Oh my God, Varin, what are you typing, beta? What is the spelling? Just speak first. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, M-O-S-I-N-G
Beta,
R-O-W.
what is Mozinram? Do you know which place I'm talking about? Can you relate it? Very good, Shaurya and Apurva. They have sent the message, but to me directly, not to everyone. Now, Shaurya and Apurva, just type it to everyone. And Varin, just have a look what I was talking about, a place. Now you have to tell which place is this.
Then the wettest place in the world. Ma'am, mine is correct. Ma'am, mine is also correct.
Now Varin, what are we talking about? Which place are we talking about, Varin?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I know.
Everybody be quiet, those who know. Varin, what is Mohsin Ram famous for? It is the... Okay. Anshuman, tell.
Ma'am, Mohsin Ram is the wettest place in the world.
Yes. Remember, Varin, it is the wettest place in the world. And in which state does it lie?
Ma'am, I know.
Virat, can you tell us? In which? Yes. It is a village which lies in Meghalaya. Next. The next word is Kaziranga.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Very nice. Very good. Utsav, your turn to type.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Utsav. Then the next word, stilt. The next word is stilt. Stilt.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, it was easy word.
No problem. Shreyansh Patel. What is the spelling of stilt?
What, ma'am?
What is the spelling of stilt, beta? The
Silk.
houses, yes, the houses in Arunachal Pradesh are built on stilts. Remember the word stilts?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to
No.
write the singular form, or ma'am, we have to write the plural form.
Any form.
Okay, ma'am.
Stilts.
When the houses in Arunachal Pradesh are built on stilts.
Yes. Shreyansh, are you
Ma'am, please
typing,
again
beta? Shreyansh, are you
Ma'am, please
typing?
again say the answer.
The answer is, see, I didn't say any answer. I just said a line to make you recall. The line was, the houses in Arunachal Pradesh are built on stilts.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is the spelling of stilt? Can you type it? Yes or no? Please tell us.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I?
Beta, wait, let Shreyansh do. Then, next word, Pratishtha Singh, fourth B. Very nice, Shreyansh. Pratishtha Singh, fourth B. Be ready for the next word. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next word is traditional. Traditional.
Ma'am, I have to tell the spelling.
Yes. First of all, tell the spelling.
Okay, ma'am. The spelling of traditional is T-R-A-D-I-T T-R-A-D-I-T-I-O-N-A-L.
Very nice. Traditional. Now type it in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, written traditional.
Traditional. Very good. How many wrong? How many of you were wrong in writing traditional?
Ma'am, I was not wrong.
Okay, all correct. Okay, Varin was wrong. Varin, you really need to work on your spellings, beta. You make a lot of mistakes. Okay, now every day you're going to stick on one chapter and do all the difficult words of that chapter. Like this, you will cover up all the subjects, not only social studies, but others also. Then, next word is tourist. The next word is tourist.
Ma'am, written.
Written. Okay, now Iram. Yes, Iram is going to type the spelling of tourist.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm typing.
Tourist. Very good. Tourist. Okay. The next word is attractions. Attractions.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Jayesh. Jayesh is going to type it in the chat box. Attractions. Jayesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my spelling is correct.
Attractions. Okay, very nice. Now, the last word from this chapter.
Ma'am, there are 21 words.
We've done 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Yes,
have done.
ma'am.
Just one more word. What is the spelling of shawl? Colorful shawl.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
written the
written.
spelling. Can I?
Okay, Iram, type it in the chat box. The spelling of colorful shawl.
Okay, ma'am.
Colorful shawl. Very good. Very nice. And one more word I missed. One more word that I missed is sanctuaries. We have bird sanctuary. So the word is sanctuaries.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, written. Can I?
Anshuman, type it and first tell it to us and then type it.
Ma'am, century.
Yes, sanctuary.
Okay, ma'am. SANTUARIES.
SANCTUARIES. Yes, that's correct. Now type it in the chat box. Jayesh, beta, you have typed wrong century.
Ma'am, type.
Sanctuaries. Very nice. Wonderful. So that's all for today, children. Please go through these words, revise these words once again. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Come. Come.